so slow.
Here we are, blizzard of 2010. This is what it takes to close the schools in Georgia. It's not really the snow, but the ice on the road that has the schools closed. And there's Amelia. No, it's not. Let's see.
Why do people walking around or driving around in their car?
Maybe they have to go to work.
School can be closed. Why isn't their work closed?
What if they work in a hospital?
There are some hospitals that are closed. Did you not watch the news?
No. Oh my gosh, look at the snow on the car. Oh wait, it was already white.
Oh. Fun to step on frozen grass. It sort of crunches. Do you like frozen grass?
Oh yes, yes I do.
Stepping on some now. Dog walking too.
Okay, wave goodbye.
What?
Wave goodbye to the camera.